Morning, Steve in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are a little bit higher overnight in the wheat and soybeans. Corn's unchanged. Just saw over the wire services that one of the Chinese trade delegates may be in soon to Washington to sign phase one deal. This should help the futures markets. Again, there's a lot of shopping lists out there, and I think that with the funds short about 100 corn, short beans, short meal, they should cover those positions going into the signing of a deal. And then we'll see what prices want to do if China starts buying. And then the last half of the year for 2020, we should be seeing maybe lower prices if the weather's good and we have big crops. So I think the markets will trend higher. Funds will cover some of those shorts if they sign a deal. And then weather in 2020 may dictate how high is high and eventually how low is low. We're entering a decade in which bean prices average between $4.15 and $17.94, corn $1.74, $8.43, and wheat Chicago $2.42 to $13.34. And most of that high side was because of the 12-12 drought. And then in 2005, China started coming in and buying commodities. We introduced ethanol and blend. And then we also had index funds coming in and buying commodities as a hedge against inflation. So there is talk behind the scenes that maybe world economy is bottoming, and we could actually see some flow of money into commodities. Right now, the flow seems to be mostly in the energy market, but we could catch some buying in the grains, especially if there's a weather issue or China is an aggressive buyer of other products like corn products, wheat, and soybeans. So again, a little bit higher tone, and we'll watch for any news on potential date for signing of the phase one deal, and if the funds want to continue to cover some of their shorts in soybeans, corn, and meal. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.